Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Xianyu shopping app. Sometimes we try to message supplier or seller on Xianyu shopping app, and all of a sudden the kind of message we get is not encouraging. Like for instance, if I open my Xianyu shopping app right here and I click on this particular iPhone, I'm so much interested in this iPhone, and I click on here just for me to chat with this particular seller right here, and I click on here, I say hello. And what you get is always something like this. How you can actually fix this problem and start chatting with the Xianyu seller in no time. So let's get started. So what message we always get is something like this, and it is always irritating and annoying. And in this video, what if I told you that there is a kind of solution that you can use to fix this particular problem and start communicate or chat with the seller on Xianyu shopping app without any stress? So if this is interesting and something you really want to learn, stay tuned to this video and see how to fix this particular problem right here. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund a Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing we want to do is to go ahead and go back from here, and I'll go ahead to my profile. And for me to visit my profile, I need to click on here. Then it's going to take me right here. Next thing I need to do is to click on the setting icon. The next thing I need to do is to make sure I click on here. That's going to take me right here. Next thing you need to do is to come down below right here, tap on here. And the next thing you need to do is to click on this red button icon and make sure you face the camera for a selfie verification, which I'm going to do straight up. So I'm going to click on here now. Then here, you will need to upload your passport data page just like what you see right here. This is an example. I will click on here now. Then I'll make sure I position my passport for scanning. Click on, so right here, click on while using the app to allow camera. You can see how I scan my passport right here. Once you scan your passport, click on here to upload. Then click on next. Now it is now face verification. What you need to do next is to make sure you click on here. Then position your face. Now it is under review, just like what you see right here. So within the 24 hours, they will get back to you with the result. Once the verification submitted is completely done, verified fully, then you can start chat with the seller on Xianyu app. You can click on this yellow icon right here to view your detail. So you can see your detail right here. Everything has been submitted, and while you wait for the confirmation by Xianyu team. After that, you can start chat with the seller on Xianyu app. It's that simple. So after a successful verification of your real name right here, you can see that it has been successfully verified, which means this place here has been disabled and the yellow icon has disappeared. Once you are done with the verification, then you can go ahead and start chat with the supplier. So I'm going to click on here now to go back. I'm going to click on here to go back, then go back to the home page. Then this is this product I was trying to chat with the seller initially. Then I'm going to click on here now. Then you have the before message right here. So what I'm going to do here is to simply copy the same message. So once I copy the same message, I'll click on here and I'll paste this and I'll send. Now the message must go, just like what you see right here. So you can see now this is before and this is after. The message has been successfully delivered in Xianyu app. It's that simple. So this is how to fix the problem of message not sent or message not delivered on Xianyu app. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import and ship products from China using Xianyu Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund a Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider contacting me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.